How are you? So glad to tell you that the 40 sets parking sensors are ready for shipment today. And now I'm testing the samples for you. In here, this is channel 1, and we could connect the side view camera. And here, monitor, buzzer, and here is the monitor, this cable, and this is channel 2 radar, and connects the 4 sensors. And in here we could check the channel 2 with the parking image. And now we will test the buzzer to you. We will test okay, thank you. And it will show the different sounds according to the distance between the obstacles.